Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fudge with Natasha. This incredibly simple recipe requires just 3 main ingredients and minimal effort, perfect for a quick, delicious treat. You'll need one 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, about 2 cups of dark chocolate chips, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Having your 8-inch square pan lined with parchment paper beforehand will make the process smooth and easy. Now let's get cooking. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 14 ounces of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of dark chocolate chips, and 2 tablespoons of butter. Heat this mixture over low heat, stirring constantly for about 10 minutes until it's completely melted, smooth, and glossy. If you prefer, you can also melt these ingredients in a microwave-safe bowl, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Once your chocolate mixture is beautifully smooth, take it off the heat. Let it cool for just a few minutes to prevent any added ingredients from seizing. This is the perfect time to personalize your fudge. You can stir in a teaspoon of vanilla extract for classic flavor, or perhaps half a cup of chopped walnuts or pecans for a delightful crunch. Mix thoroughly to ensure everything is well combined. Now for the final steps. Carefully pour your warm fudge mixture into the parchment-lined 8-inch square pan. Use a spatula to spread it evenly and smooth the top. If you like, sprinkle on some sea salt or crushed candy canes for extra flair. Place the pan in the refrigerator for a minimum of 2 hours, or until the fudge is completely firm. Then, simply lift it out, cut into delicious squares, and enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.